Handa na ba ang inyong menu sa Noche Buena? Kung hindi pa, eto mga Christmas dishes na guilt-free! Christmas is just around the corner. Pero kahit selebrasyon, hindi natin dapat pinapabayaan ang ating kalusugan. So why not celebrate Christmas by eating healthy and organic foods, using alternative ingredients for a healthier Noche Buena?
Health is wealth. Yan ang aming battle cry. We would want everyone who want to regain and maintain health to eat healthy food. So here is Tapaw offering the healthier food alternative.
Whether raw or ready to eat pa yan, the brand assures everyone that all their products are made with the utmost care and planning para masigurong healthy ang inyong meal.
We try to use natural ingredients. Yung mga ready to eat namin are normally slow cooked, artisanal. So we try to get the natural taste of the product. So MSG is a no-no for us.
At kung naghahanap kayo ng pwedeng maihanda na healthy options this Noche Buena, bakit hindi nyo subukan ang kanilang best-selling meat products? At ang kanilang healthy ham, mas nagawang nutritious pa by making it sugar-free.
So we try to cook Christmas meals the healthier way. Nag-umpisa nga kami with healthy na baked ham, and then we did belechon. So paano maging healthy yung belechon? The condiments that we use and the way we cook it, instead of the traditional na fried, we bake it. Imbis na fried na crispy pata, we also bake it.
At kung alternative naman sa meat ang hanap nyo, nariyan din ang kanilang rellenong bangus. For dessert naman, panalo rin ang kanilang ginataang bilo-bilo.
We hope that they would try our food, not only for this Christmas season, not only to share share the joy of delicious and healthy delicious eating, not just this Christmas, but the whole year round.
Walang masama na mag-splurge sa pagkain this holiday season. Just make sure to eat moderately and syempre, as healthy as possible.